Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Poco M3 Pro and let me show you how to turn on and off camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about camera we can manage. Now let's move to left side and tap to settings to open them. And here we have to slide a little bit to general settings category. Now at the second place we have save location info option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here also important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save actual location of our photo, we have to remember to be connected with the internet, for example Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to also turn on the location of this device. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's move back to camera to take a picture. To see it, let's move to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how it looks like. To check its location, let's tap to center so we get access to gallery options. Now we have to tap to the button in the right corner at the bottom and pick details. Here at the last place we have location with full address, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. We can also tap to it and go directly to Google Maps to check our location at the map. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.